so good. I love his voice. Wow. I love his voice and his style. It's always on point. I always love his style. Oh my goodness! I still cannot believe that I understood the beginning of the video. Let's see later. Okay, the end of the video. And also, you have sent me a Danar video. Okay, that I don't know. It's a song made by him because he was bullied when he was in school and something like that. So I have that one on my list, okay? I haven't forgot it. I have it on my list, so don't worry. Soon, I promise. I love his voice. It's so unique. Wow. I don't care if the original one is better than. I don't need to listen to the original one, okay? I'm sure that this is better than the original. I don't need to listen to it. I'm sorry. But come on, his voice. It's just so beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful song. Let's pretend it's Danar's original because oh my goodness, it could really be his original. Wow. I love his style. I love it so much. He always wears blazers and jackets that are like a blazer cut. You know that I love blazers, so of course I love him wearing blazers and his style. It's always on point. And besides that, come on. I don't need to say anything. You understood me. Mesin Waktu. Oh wow. That is so good.
This scene is so good. Very nice. Very nice voice. I really like it. And she's so happy for that.
Jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali.
That is so good.
Merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih.
Okay, I just want to say something that, this performance of Danar Widianto, you're going to fall in love with his voice. And also, the choice of the music, Mesin Waktu is a beautiful love song. And, I really like it a lot. And look at him now. You can see that there's so much confidence in him, maybe because of the mentoring of that judge. And as you can see now, the performance is really good. Guys, let's go back.
Meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau, kau akan lewat mesin waktu.
Wow. Yeah. The control, look at that.
Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah. Panjang
Oh yeah.
perjalanan yang harus ku lalui, merelakanmu.
Oh yeah.
Jika
Oh.
aku bisa, akan
I like his look.
ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih. Meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau.
That was so good, guys. That was so good.
Kau akan
And soft voice on this part. So good.
mesin
Oh. That was a heartfelt performance by Danar Widianto. Again, they're giving you a standing ovation, Danar.
Danar, how do Killed it.
Mesin
I mean, this was so sentimental, this was so soft, beautiful.
Dan aku lolos ke tahap selanjutnya. Kau harus ku mengingatmu lagi. Aku takkan sanggup dengan yang terjadi pada kita. Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah.
Okay, first impression, I was expecting a nervous guy. Maybe I understand wrong, but he looks so calm. I think he learned how to control his nerves. Okay, let's continue.
Ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih, meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau. Kau akan lewat mesin waktu.
Okay, I liked his voice. Danar. He is successful. His performance is so beautiful, right? I liked his voice control. I like his calm aura. Yes, I liked him. Okay, let's continue.
Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah. Panjang perjalanan yang harus ku lalui, merelakanmu.
Okay, that transaction was so beautiful. That's a little moment. He go up and down. I like that. I like this performance. And thank you for your suggestion. This is a great suggestion, guys. And this is beautiful to learn a new names from X Factor Indonesia. I like that. I like to discover new names. And Danar, the last one of them. Okay.
Aku bisa akan kembali, ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih, meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau. Kau akan lewat mesin waktu.
Okay, that was another emotional and beautiful song and another emotional and beautiful performance from X Factor Indonesia.